This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 29 FE is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, TV, water heater, stovetop burner, LP detector, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, refrigerator, oven, skylight, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features outdoor kitchen. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 29 FE is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.